If hitting snooze is your superpower, this is for you. Imagine waking up naturally, refreshed, no blaring alarms. Sounds dreamy? Here's how to make it real. The secret is building your body's internal clock, your circadian rhythm. Start by keeping a consistent bedtime, even on weekends. Expose yourself to bright light. As soon as you wake up, it jumpstarts your brain and sets your clock for tomorrow. In the evening, dim the lights and ditch screens an hour before bed. Blue light tells your brain it's still daytime. Don't forget, caffeine after lunch can mess with your sleep cycle. Give it a week. Your body will start waking up naturally, no alarm needed. Ready to ditch the alarm forever? Like and follow for more science-backed life hacks.